Have you ever wondered why 92% of people fail their New Year resolutions by February? The answer isn't willpower or motivation. It's because they're fighting against their own subconscious mind. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to reprogram your subconscious to automatically pull you toward your goals instead of sabotaging them. Your conscious mind is like the captain of a ship, but your subconscious is the entire crew below deck. You can steer all you want, but if the crew is rowing in the opposite direction, you're going nowhere. This is why you can consciously decide to hit the gym every morning, but your subconscious keeps hitting the snooze button. The subconscious mind processes 11 million bits of information per second, while your conscious mind handles only 40. Your subconscious is running the show whether you realize it or not. It controls your habits, emotions, automatic responses, and most importantly, what feels normal to you. When your New Year resolution conflicts with what your subconscious believes is normal, guess which one wins? For example, imagine someone who wants successful business. They choose a goal to create a successful company. They join multiple courses, read books, and start planning during the January, but by March they already have stopped and found reasons why this will not work. The first step in subconscious reprogramming is understanding your current programming. Your subconscious mind formed most of its beliefs between ages 0 and 7 when your brain operated primarily in theta waves. During this period, you absorbed everything around you without critical thinking. If you heard things like money doesn't grow on trees, or you have to work hard to succeed, those became subconscious programs still running today. Here's where it gets interesting. Your subconscious cannot distinguish between what's real and what's vividly imagined. When you repeatedly visualize yourself already achieving your goal with intense emotion and sensory detail, your subconscious begins accepting this as reality and starts aligning your behavior accordingly. The key is specificity and emotion. Don't just visualize having a successful business. Feel yourself confident, successful, and having an inspiration to create. Your subconscious responds to emotional intensity, not logical arguments. The more vivid and emotionally charged your visualization, the faster the reprogramming occurs. Timing matters enormously. Your brain naturally enters theta state twice daily, before and after sleep naturally, but you can enter this state also during meditations. Right before sleep and immediately upon waking, or when you enter this theta state in meditations, your subconscious is most receptive to new programming. This is when your critical conscious mind relaxes its guard. These moments are golden opportunities to install new beliefs and behaviors. Create a specific ritual for these times. Take comfortable position, close your eyes, and enter your visualization. But here's the crucial part most people miss. You must feel the emotions of already having achieved your goal. Don't visualize wanting or trying to achieve something. Visualize having already achieved it. Feel grateful for your success. Feel proud of your transformation. Your subconscious doesn't understand future tense. Affirmations become powerful when done correctly. Instead of saying I will lose weight, say I am naturally attracted to healthy foods. Instead of I want to be successful, say I am worthy of success and abundance. Present tense, positive language, and emotional conviction are essential. Your subconscious accepts what you consistently tell it with feeling. Repetition is very important. Your current programs took years to install through constant repetition. New programs require consistent reinforcement. Commit to your visualization and affirmation practice for at least 21 days. This is approximately how long it takes to begin forming new neural pathways. Though complete, stable changes can take months. But here's something most people don't realize. Your subconscious loves congruence and hates contradiction. If you're affirming abundance while constantly complaining about money, you're sending mixed signals. Your external actions must align with your internal programming work. Start acting like the person who has already achieved your goal. Environmental design supports your reprogramming. Your subconscious picks up on subtle environmental cues constantly. If your goal is fitness, put your workout clothes where you'll see them first thing. If it's financial success, surround yourself with symbols of abundance. Create an environment that reinforces your new identity. Address resistance directly. Your subconscious is used to the current patterns, so it resists change initially. This shows up as skepticism, procrastination, or sudden obstacles. Recognize this as normal protection mechanisms, not signs that the process isn't working. Persistence through initial resistance is crucial. Track your progress through awareness, not just outcomes. Notice when you naturally make choices aligned with your goal without conscious effort. Notice when healthy options start appealing to you automatically. These internal shifts precede external results and indicate successful reprogramming. The compound effect applies to subconscious work. Small daily practices create massive transformations over time. Consistency trumps intensity in subconscious reprogramming. Your subconscious mind is incredibly powerful, but it's not magic. It won't override physical laws or replace action. It will, however, make taking action feel natural and automatic instead of forced and difficult. It transforms discipline into desire, obligation into inspiration. Most people approach New Year resolutions backwards. They try to force behavior changes without addressing underlying programming. You're different now. You understand that lasting change happens from the inside out. Your conscious mind sets the destination, but your subconscious mind determines whether you actually arrive there. Start today. Choose one resolution and begin your visualization practice. In 30 days, you'll be amazed at how naturally you move toward your goals. Your future self is thanking you already for taking this seriously. Subscribe for more life-changing content and let me know in the comments which resolution you're reprogramming first. There are also other factors, such as different energies and astrological transits, which impact. That is another topic. In the description of the video and channel, you can find more information about what I offer.